Welcome to the Race Me series, where we find out how fast I am and how fast you are, where I put a scramble on screen and have us race to solve that exact scramble. And once we're done, we put our times in the comments, or for me, I just show it on the video. And we all race each other to see who is the fastest cuber. There will be tons of events like 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, Pairmix, Megamix, and even things that aren't in the WCA, like, for example, 9x9 and 10x10. Hello everyone, this is part 1 of the Race Me series. I'll put the scramble for this cube on screen right now, and let's race. So now on to 2x2, I'll put the what is it called, the scramble up here again, and let's inspect this one. This is an interesting looking one. All right, let's try this, I guess. Okay, definitely not a good solve on my end, so you guys probably beat me here, but let's move on to 4x4. Okay, we are now on to 4x4. None of you guys are gonna beat me because I'm good at 4x4, but here's the scramble in case you're insane enough to try. Let's do this. I talk a big game and then mess up on the first part. Okay, yeah, you may have beat me on that actually. That was a really bad solve. All right, next up is 5x5. I have the scramble on screen right now, and this is an interesting one. All right, let's get it. If you guys cannot tell, I don't usually solve 5x5. Yeah, I already messed something up. Okay, I'm not good at 5x5, so once again, you guys all probably beat me on that. That's actually a really bad time for me too, so you guys got lucky, I guess. All right, so now we're on to one hand. Here's the scramble, and I think this is a really good scramble. The problem with it is, of course, is that I'm not good at all with one hand, and I honestly don't know how to do advanced OLL with one hand, so this might be bad for me. I know that some of you guys are like really good at one hand though. Just like from what I've seen on Instagram and stuff, you guys are really good at one hand. That's pretty good one-handed solve for me. Especially with this cube, it's just a really small MF2. I don't know if I beat you guys on that one. Let me know in the comments. And that's the last solve. That's gonna be the last race for today. So let me know which cubes we should do in part 2.